Welcome, tourists who are planning their trip to the Mesa Cundinamarca. I am Cristian Felipe Castillo Soto, your travel agent. Introduction of the place. La Mesa is a municipality of Cundinamarca, located in the province of Tequendama and is 54 kilometers from Bogota, Colombia. The place is characterized by having a temperate climate. The climate is perfect for extreme sports and to no place surrounded by a lot of nature. The tourist attractions of this small city of around 40,000 inhabitants range from adventure parks such as the famous Macute Park and Macadamia Park, located at the entrance of the city. Duration of the trip. The trip consists of 3 days and 2 nights, starting on Friday and ending on Sunday. The first day, we will visit the Agropark Sabio Mutis. It's a beautiful place to visit. It has the Museum of Sugarcane and popular traditions. Additionally, the Botanical Garden of the Agropark has 5 trails, more than 4 kilometers to travel, and 5 lakes. The second day, we will visit the Macute Adventure Park. Their extreme sports activities will be practiced by air, land, and water. The third day, there will be a tour of the town and enjoy a day of pool. Means of transportation. During the trip, you can use bus or taxi to move around some place in the city. For the 3 days, the private bus is guaranteed for transport to different activities. Activities to do. On the first day, tourists can walk through the agropark and can observe the machines for the manufacture the panela on liquors. You can also observe the nurses and the different kinds of horses. Finally, tourists can walk the trails and enjoy lakes and pools. The second day, you can practice different extreme sports, for example, high road activities, canopy flies, suspension brake circuit, challenges activities on water and land, and strategy games such as paintball and soccer balls. On the third day, the tourists will take a tour of the town to know the main place and the main park. Additionally, tourists can enjoy an afternoon by the pool. Place to stay. During the trip, you will stay at the Loma Linda Hotel Stay. Additionally, if you want, you can camp and the Agropar Sabio Mutis. Typical foods. Tourists can eat various plates of food. For example, ajiaco, bandeja paisa, fish, and can be accompanied by a delicious coconut lemonade. Cost. The cost of the tourist page is 800,000 Colombian pesos. The page includes breakfast, lunch, and loading. Additionally, the page includes admissions to the scheduled plans during the 3 days and 2 nights. Thank you.